PreciseFP is most commonly known as a data gathering software, but you'll also hear it recognized as a data hub. In the business for more than 20 years, we have about 40 integrations at this time, and more than 100 fields will sync bidirectionally with most of these integration partners. PreciseFP has templates that come pre-built with the system. The first type of template you'll see will be called form templates. Forms are going to be used for data entry where you want to gather information like tax ID numbers and birth dates, and they'll be able to input that information. People also use PreciseFP as a service agreement solution, as a source to deliver documents, form CRS, disclosures, be able to prove documents have been downloaded. In this form library, you will also find a complimentary risk tolerance questionnaire. You will find lead magnets and even qualifying forms. Included with your subscription is also an e-signature feature. You can obtain signatures from clients that will be IP, date, and timestamp, and a certification will be provided to authenticate. Another type of template that you'll find will be PDF templates. There are pre-built ones in here that are most commonly used for new account opening. These are going to be more read-only versions where it's taking that good clean data, putting it inside of a PDF, and most likely getting an e-signature. You can also upload your own PDFs and map the data that is in the profile into that PDF. So that way you don't have to do that data entry there either. Another commonly used feature will be Web Publisher. Web Publisher allows you to take a form and either turn it into a link. So then you could put that link into a broadcast email or include that in your email signature, embed that form onto your website, or you could create something like a button on your website. So once somebody clicks on that button, it would open up that form. There are also going to be reports available for you to use. The reports feature is customizable by you, so you can pick and choose the data that you would want to see in a report, and it's almost like an advanced search of all of your data, putting it into a format for you to make those informed business decisions. There is also a feature called Pipeline. Pipeline is great for a set it and forget it. It is like an if-then statement. This is great if you want to maybe send somebody a qualifier form. They fill out that form, then they will get a more in-depth data gathering form after that. Also within PreciseFP, when you are on the account section, you'll notice on the right-hand side, there is a color coordination system. This is going to correlate to the Know Your Client requirements and give each person a score to see if the data that you have gathered meets those Know Your Client requirements. In addition to everything that we talked about from the data quality, pipeline, PDFs, forms, web publisher, reports, you can also customize your disclosures at the end of emails. You can customize those emails to be very clear and communicative, include numbered or bulleted lists of the things that you would expect to receive. I'm going to need your tax return, your statements, etc. Be very clear and communicative. You can also set up periodic reminders. So maybe when you send out an engagement, you want a cadence to automatically be built in, where every 2 days, for example, it will automatically send them a reminder. You can customize that message in that increment of days. If you have any questions that come up along the way, feel free to click on that chat icon and type in your question, and we're more than happy to help. But otherwise, thank you so much for your time today and have fun with PreciseFP. Thank you.